Introduction.
Now I am telling about solid shapes. Solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. Hi, hello, my name is Sanjeevanagar. Today I am telling about cube. Cube has 6 flat faces, 2 wall edges and 8 corners. Examples are gift box and dice. My friend will continue. We are learning about solid shape. Cuboid shape. Cuboid has 6 flat shapes, 12 edges and 8 corners. Example are eraser and box. We are learning about cone shape. Cone has 1 edge and 1 corner and 1 edge and 1 flat face and curved face. Example is birthday cap. Today we are learning about cylinder. Cylinder has 2 flat faces, 1 curved face, 2 edges, no corners. Example is a water bottle. Today I am telling about sphere. Sphere has curved face, 1 curved face, no edges, no corners. Thank you to all for learning solid shapes. Have a nice day.